Alright guys, so today's video we'll be talking about the Oraimo Watch Nova V. Oraimo has been making waves in the wearable tech market, and I'm excited to open what we have in this pack. This is the new smartwatch, so let's unbox it together. Let's get down to business. So I got it some days ago. I should have unboxed this earlier. I'm so sorry, I was busy with things. So here we have it. Nothing else in the pack, but I'm going to tell you how you can get something with yours. So first of all, let's talk about the price. The price on Oraimo eShop website or Oraimo app is 51,500 naira right now. So you can get it for 51,500 naira here in Nigeria, and you are going to be getting a free gift, which is Oraimo necklace light. You can get it with it if you order right away. You can also use the discount code bracket to get it 5% cheaper. This guy comes with a lot of features like 2.01 HD screen, dynamic video watch faces, cameras, remote, and the rest. So let's talk about this guy. Let's see what's inside the box. Let's find out. Now, here on the box, you are going to see Oraimo Watch Nova V, fluid motion, rugged elegance. Nice. And it comes with wireless HD calling, 24 hours health monitoring. And on the side here, you are going to see 2.01 HD screen, 1 ATM waterproof, camera remote, preview sync, and tempered glass. And here, Oraimo. On the other side, you are going to see some specification of the Oraimo Watch Nova V and the rest. And at the back here, you are going to see the authentication center with 365 days warranty for you in case something goes wrong. But I'm very sure this watch is going to live up to its expectation. And also you are going to see OSW 802N light chrome. That is the color I got here. And by this side, keep exploring, and that is pretty much it. So let's unbox it quickly. So the first thing we are going to see here is discovering endless possibilities and keep exploring, designed by Oraimo. Pull here. Okay, let's see what's inside this. Okay. All right, this is the welcome guide. As you can see, Watch Nova V. The welcome guide, you can go through that to get yourself familiar with the specs and the functions of this guide. It also comes in other languages, French, Spanish, and the rest. So let's keep that aside. Let's see what else we can find in the box. Okay. We're going to come back to the watch. So this is the charger. It comes with a 4-pin charger, a USB-A to 4-pin charger, and that is pretty much it. So it comes with just the charger, the smartwatch, and nothing else. As you can see, I like the design. It looks rugged, like G-Shock smartwatch kind of vibe. Okay, it sounds metallic. Nice. So let's play this off. Okay, and power. Oraimo. English. Scan to download Oraimo Health app, and that is pretty much it. So, and by the side here, there's nothing pressing, just the design of the watch. It comes with this speaker grill here. You can see that. A silicone strap, which is not bad. Looks nice. Okay. And I like all this design. Looks nice. And here is a shortcut to sport mode, power and sport mode. Okay, so that is it, guys. As you can see, it looks nice on the back. I'm going to test a lot of things about this guy, even the water test. I'm going to do that too. So connection should be as easy as other smartwatches from Oraimo. Let me quickly connect it up. So here is my smartphone and Oraimo Health app. Please make sure you charge up your Oraimo watch before the first time use. I've always said that. So make sure you charge it up. So we are going to turn on the Bluetooth, the data, and the location. These are the 3 things you need to turn on when you are connecting it. Alright, so go to the watch. I'm going to disconnect this because it's connected to my watch ER. I'm going to disconnect this quickly. Unpair, confirm, and add the new watch. Let me use the QR code this time around. Okay. Connect. Bind successfully. Okay. Wow, that looks nice, guys. As you can see, easy peasy. It's connected. So this is what Oraimo call the video watch face. As you can see. So this is how it is moving. Okay. Showing video on the watch face. Here are some watch faces that I think you should also be aware of. This is 1, 2, and 3. It comes with 3 watch faces. This is 1 here. This is 2. Let me just turn it on. As you can see, it is moving. Alright, that's the second pre-installed watch face. And the third one is a whale. Wow, that looks nice. Oh my god. That's the third one there. And that is pretty much it. I think I prefer this one because it looks like volcano eruption here and some other stuff. So this is what I prefer. Nothing working here, and I just like how it looks. It looks like a metal, but I think this is not really a metal. But I'll confirm that in the full review video. Okay. So this is the menu. Looks nice. It also comes with calculator. Nice. Okay, a lot of features there. Not bad. Wow. This looks nice, guys. I think I have to set the time light. Let me go to the setting. Display and brightness, screen on time. Set it to 30 seconds and that is it. Okay. Screen brightness highest. Okay. Raise to wake option is there also. So as you can see, guys, a lot of stuff are there. Okay. All right. That looks nice. Notification and the rest. Okay. Looks nice. That is ringing my phone. Okay. Wow. Did you guys see that? Did you see what I just did? It actually located the name of my phone. Look at it here. Let me pause that. S22 Ultra. It shows S22 Ultra here. As you can see, babsomotden S22 Ultra. Wow, that's nice. Nice. Nice one, Oraimo. Another settings here, sound and haptic, do not disturb mode, restart, and the rest about. Nice. Okay, it also comes with control for your music. It supports listening to music on the go. That's excellent. I can say this will be one of the best smartwatches from Oraimo. And if you want to get one, please make sure you use the discount code bracket to get it at a cheaper rate. You're also going to be getting necklace lights if you order right away. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, drop it down there in the comment section. And I'll be testing this guy with a lot of testing, like water test and how long it's going to last and the rest. So subscribe now and I will see you on the next one. Please stay safe. Bye for now. Peace.